when you hear this sound? What do you feel? What do you taste? Write it down. The sound and the power, because the power is the sound and the sound is the power. And without the word, what do you have? Inside of everyone, there is so much to explore, so much to discover. We can use rhythm, we can use colors, we can use taste, we can use touch. These are the elements we are going to use. We can use sound. Can you hear colors? I can hear colors. Let's describe that color. What does that color mean to you? Remember, it's all about you. Finding your inner you. You. Inside everyone, there is a story to be untold, to be discovered. The word can tell you the story. The word can be, I can remember. We can use the word to remember my dream, my past, even a future. Words is power, because when you look at the sun, yellow, happiness, you know, colors can always bring out something sweet, something memorable. We are made of different feelings, different expressions, and that's what makes color. They will be at the end of the workshop discovering who they are.